Hi guys, I just want to show you my YouTube space and I'm going to reorganize it. This is just a little enclosed balcony that we have off of our master bedroom. But I'll show you what it looks like. It's really messy right now. So that's my old computer desk. This is the light that I use. I bought that from Studio Mucci. A bunch of junk on the floor. And here's my little shelf where I put all my stuff, but my kids like to play with all my little figures and toys, so they're always like, well, I set them up and then they turn into a mess. And then behind here, I have a little corner with like more junk boxes. So I thought today that I would just organize everything a little bit, and so I'm gonna just film it. So let me see. Okay, so this isn't the best direction to film in because the light's over there, but I had my shelf set up over here because it sort of blocks this little alcove off. But I think I'm going to move it to that side and then I'll have a nicer backdrop on which to film. I'm just going to take this out for the time being so I can move my shelf. So that's what was behind my shelf. Let's clean up this area. Okay, I cleaned out that area. I think I'm gonna move my light back in there. Okay, I'm just organizing my shelf.
You want some help?
Okay.
Okay. I'll organize that shelf.
Okay.
You do something else. I'll organize the shelf.
Okay, what about Valentina? What's Valentina gonna do?
Valentina could have me the characters. Here. The angels have to go right here, okay? Oh, my puppy! I found it! It's right there! Hold this? Yeah. Keep it. Okay. Put it in your room. Okay? Okay. Valentina found her squirrel, so she's gonna put it in her room.
What?
She found her squirrel. It is for me?
You'll take two. Okay, one's for Anya, one's for you.
So cute. I can't wait. I love toys. That pony. No, put all these ponies back to the mommy pony. This is the baby ones. It wants their mommy. Want for mommy? They're all like, ah. Dun, 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 dun.
So here's the after. We have cleaned up my YouTube room. Sienna helped me set up this display here. So now I can just film from here. Okay. You can sit on that chair, okay? And then I moved out all the junk and I put my light, okay?